Peter, Dram Diaries, double dram blind. 2 whiskeys. Don't know what they are. Don't know what proof they are. Don't know if they're a rye, a bourbon, a single malt. Looking at the color, I'm going to guess they're bourbon, but I'm going to let you know what I think of them and which one I prefer and how much I would like to pay for a bottle of either one of these, or if I would want to buy a bottle. I'm going to start with A. A is noticeably darker to me than B, but man, it's very like caramel and baking spice. The nose is pretty tasty. Well, it smells pretty good. B, it's similar actually. This one just smells a little more oaky, I guess. A. I'll start with B because I think I prefer the nose on A. I like oak. Whoa. Man, that's good. Okay. These are not low proof. Man, that packs a punch. Goodness gracious. That is just like cinnamon, oak, brown sugar. The finish has just like a dark, syrupy cherry. That's really tasty. Whatever that is, man, that packs a punch. That's got to be over 130. I don't know. I'm guessing. That's crazy. The nose. They did not give away the proof on the nose. Maybe I'm just losing my ability to smell. Okay, man, this is like, I wouldn't say it's like the quintessential bourbon, but if you like a fruit-forward bourbon, this is what you would want it to be, is this right here. All right, let's see what A is. I did prefer the nose on A. I'd be surprised if it beats that, though, because that's tasty. The finish is still going, too. Man, very cinnamon. Very sweet. Man, what in the world is this? Oh, yeah. Interesting. These are similar, man. I wonder if these are from the same family. This one just has more oak throughout the palate. Not like astringent oak, but just a good oak spice. And if something's like a little more aged, but not too aged, you get that just the flavor of the charred oak a little more. That's what I'm getting in that one. It is spicier. There's more cinnamon on it. I don't know, man. These things are high proof, whatever they are. I can tell you that. They are. They're just packing a massive punch of flavor that you just don't get on anything that's, I think, less than 130 proof. Gosh, I gotta try this again. So this one has more sugars, like it's sweeter. Brown sugar, it's just darker. Like it's like this, but just darker and older tasting. Sweeter. There is more oak on the finish, especially. This tastes younger. Whatever this is, it tastes younger than that. This one, I feel, if you like a little more oak and spice and brown sugary flavor, go with this one. I don't know, man. The finish is better on this, though. This is good, though. This is sweet. I feel like you get a little more fruit. You get a very similar fruit, like a on this, on glass A. Wow. I'd be happy with either one of these. I don't know, man. Gosh, you know I hate paying over $100 for a bottle of bourbon, but I would pay over $100 for these, whatever they are. They're really tasty. Like, okay, I'm gonna say A takes it for me just because I prefer a little bit more oak, and it tastes older, and it just has a little bit more punch from the get-go going through than B. But B is a very good bourbon. So what is B? Let's see. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Crazy. B is George T Stagg, man. I believe it's the 2022. It's 138.7 proof. It's like a 15-year, I think. So this has to be, A has to be the Stagg that I double oak, the Stagg 22. Yeah. That thing, 150 proof. That is this Stagg 22A that I double oaked in the mini barrel. Wow. That's crazy. It tastes older than this George T Stagg. Yeah. Wow. Either one is great. Man, if you can get yourself a bottle of Stagg, put it in a full-size mini barrel, man. It's no joke. Really. Like, it tastes like, if you would have told me one of these is George T Stagg, I would have just said, oh, it must be this one, because it tastes older and it's like heavier sweetness. So crazy. Have you ever put these side by side? I mean, I don't know if you've put one of these in a full-size mini barrel, but what did you think? I'm curious. Okay, till next time.